In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a LinkedIn account without email and phone number. If you've lost access to the email address or phone number connected to your LinkedIn account, don't worry. LinkedIn still gives you a way to recover your account by confirming your identity through a secure verification process. I will walk you through exactly what to do so you can follow along without confusion. First, go to the LinkedIn sign-in page and click on the Forgot Password option. This is where the recovery process begins. Once you are there, LinkedIn will ask you to enter the old email address or phone number that was previously tied to your account. Even if you no longer have access to it, you should still enter the information you remember, because LinkedIn uses it to locate your account in their system. After entering that, click Next. You may then be asked to complete a CAPTCHA verification. This is just a quick security check to confirm that a real person is making the request. Carefully follow the prompt and finish that step before continuing. After that, LinkedIn will usually try to send a verification code to the email address or phone number on file. Since you no longer have access, look for the option that says "Can't access this email" or "Don't have access to any of these," and click it. This is the important step that moves you into the alternate recovery path, if you are doing this on a computer. LinkedIn may show you a QR code. In that case, use your mobile phone to scan the QR code and continue the verification process from there. Make sure your phone camera or QR scanner opens the correct page before moving on. Next, LinkedIn will ask you to provide a new email address that you currently use. Enter an email you can access right now, because this is where LinkedIn support will contact you. You may also have the option to share your LinkedIn profile link, which can help them identify the correct account more quickly. Then, you will be asked to submit a clear photo of a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Through LinkedIn's verification partner persona, make sure the image is sharp, readable and well lit, because unclear photos can delay the review process. Once everything is submitted, all that's left to do is wait for LinkedIn support to review your documents. They will contact you at the new email address you provided with the next steps or the result of your recovery request. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.